eSIM Studio's app review of Dynamic Spot. Get a customized dynamic island for your Android device. Let's go!
Android users have been left out of the dark on a few of the iPhone-only features until now. I present to you a dynamic island for Android users. This app is officially named Dynamic Spot, and it can be found on the official Google Play Store. No third-party app downloads or installs. Dynamic Spot mimics the soul of Dynamic Island, offering the same pop-up bubble for notifications, Spotify, and other app controls. Dynamic Spot offers a tremendous amount of customization options, from individual coloring for specific apps, custom notification actions, swapping between app icons and album art in music apps, and the ability to work with a notch. This customization means it works with almost every Android phone from every manufacturer. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Dynamic Spot. Select the Dynamic Spot app and then select Install. Setting up the app is easy as it provides you with a step-by-step guide to get going, but we'll lay out the process for you and you can follow along. Step 1 is to download and open the app and select Next to get started. Step 2, you will be presented with a list of instructions to follow to set the app up. First, choose Select Apps to choose Select Apps to choose which apps can trigger Dynamic Spot. Spotify, YouTube Music, Audible, and other music or multimedia apps are a good place to start, but you could also include messaging apps too. Select the apps you want, then choose the back button in the top left to continue. Step 3, select Notification Access, and then choose Dynamic Spot from the list and toggle on Allow Notification Access. Allow. This gives the app the ability to display your notifications. Step 4, now select Draw on Screen. Next, Dynamic Spot and toggle on Use Dynamic Spot. Allow. This allows the app to create the dynamic island or dynamic spot over other apps. Step 5, select Done, and then allow to let the app run in the background. That's it. You're set up and ready to roll. It's also worth exploring more of these settings, as there's a lot you can customize. You can change the pill into a notch, change the background color, or add an additional pop-up that gives quick access to certain apps. A lot of these options are hidden behind a single payment, and it only costs $5, with sales prices also available from time to time. It is worth the extra few dollars as it opens up a whole library of different and customization options to choose from and to make your friend jealous that he cannot customize his dynamic island on his iPhone 14 Pro Max.